What the heck do we make of this market? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, April the 19th. I don't know. It's a scary world out there. The markets are nuts, and here we are once again with our update. And of course, this update is brought to you by our friends at Family Farms. And of course, we have partnered up with them to try to help farmers do a better job at protecting their money, and either whether it be their equities or their farms. And listen, we can do a very good job with it, and we look forward to getting on the road, especially for the July event, which will, I'm assuming, be in person since everything is opening back up again. In the meantime, I don't know what to say. I mean, the markets are getting hammered at the moment. They were higher. The Russell's been under pressure the entire night, which we're short, which is a good thing. But suddenly, the NASDAQ is now down over 100, the Dow is down over 200, and the S&P is falling apart. I don't know. All of a sudden, we've seen, a major meltdown, a shift, and, we'll see. We could go anywhere the rest of the day. I don't have any clue. I don't even have a feeling where they're going, other than the fact that we're long everything but the Russell. Okay. And we'll be all day, at least until tomorrow. Again, what can I tell you? Of course, we've seen a recent run in the bond markets, a little bit of a rally. And of course, I think it looks like the bond vigilantes are back, and they're telling the Fed you're nuts, and you're starting to see bonds and notes under some pressure today. We're short notes, long bonds. So, copper is exploding, which is, obviously been a very troubling, after making a ton on copper on the run up. It has been extremely challenging the last few weeks because it's in what we'll call wide sweeping consolidation. Again, what happens is it may go far enough to trigger a reversal, and then it goes far enough the other way. So, we've been backwards there for, a week or so. We'll see what happens. And again, I don't get worried about it, because overall, it's not what happens day to day or trade to trade. It's what happens net to net. And that's what we're looking at. Net gas is a little bit higher and we're long, and the dollar is lower and we're short. So, and crude oil is higher and we're long. And, but crude oil could be negative in 5 minutes. Okay. Again, all the quotes I'm giving you now are based on about 10:30 Eastern time. They can all be different by the time you see this. So just so you understand that I can't tell the future as much as I would like to. And of course, grains are slightly higher. Corn's up about 4 cents. It was up about 10. So I'm not, this is the first Monday in months that we've had an up day, but it looks like it's giving way fast. Soybeans are about 8 cents. Wheat is about flat. We're long all three. The meats are kind of mixed. Cattle, both fast and feeders, are both slightly lower. The hogs are slightly higher, which you would expect a little bit of a bounce, after the tremendous beatings it's been taking. But again, we are short across the board. And as we look at the sauce, cotton is higher and we are long. OJ is lower and we are short. Coffee is higher and we are long. Sugar is lower and we are long. And cocoa is higher and we are short. And we'll see again, we don't get worried. We don't get emotional at minute to minute or day to day. Because again, if you do, you'll drive yourself into a loony bin. So it's easier just to follow the trend and make sure that you're getting as we like to say, the meat out of the move. In the meantime, don't forget about our commodity report. If you're a fan of commodities, there's nothing better than the report written by Andy Hecht, which is technomental. It's available at BUBBATrading.com. Check it out. You can get components of, or you can get the entire report. And of course, don't forget about our brokerage partners. Now, again, I always make full disclosure. We have other brokers, or I have other brokers that I use. But the ones I prefer for futures and commodities, it's the CTG group. And of course, first of all, they're the only ones authorized to do all of our letter of direction trading, number one. Number two, they got great customer service. You got a problem, they're going to answer the phone. You have to wait and leave a voicemail. They've got some great managed futures products. And if you want some more information, just go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com patreon.com/Bubba. And of course, for equities and options trader, how can you beat $10 a month? That's the first thing I want to know. But secondly, we've got, their APIs. We've been able to automate our portfolios, which means you can auto trade them if you choose. It is not a requirement. There is no extra charge for it. There's no charge from trader. There's no charge from us. It's part of your membership. So again, at $10 a month and having the ability to automate, I don't know. I can't see why I wouldn't do that. But hey, it's your money. Remember that. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Listen, have a great trading day. Be very, very careful out there. It is about as nuts as the Major League Baseball season so far, with the dogs dominating the markets at the moment. Just be careful, just be disciplined, and be patient. Have a great day. This is Bubba's Daily Report for Monday, April the 19th. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.